Good afternoon and welcome to our assembly. My name is Connor and my job is to ensure the smooth running of today's assembly. I'm also today's microphone master. Before we begin, let us take a moment to remember and acknowledge the traditional owners of this land. Please watch our school candles lit. This reminds us that Jesus is the light of the world. Let's say together our school motto. To serve humanity. Let's make the sign of the cross together. In the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. For the gift of our families, may we always remember how lucky we are to have the Lord hear us. Lord, hear our prayer. For the gift of our friends, may we always be kind to them. Lord, hear us. Lord, hear our prayer. For the gift of rain and water, may we always remember how precious it is. Lord, hear us. Lord, hear our prayer. For the gift of life, may we always use it to see the best in people. Lord, hear us. Lord, hear our prayer. We make these prayers through Christ our Lord. Amen. We now invite Mr. Ashburn to present Student Award and birthdays.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ashburn.
Thank you, and welcome everyone. Welcome to parents. Always a good roll-up when preps are on. They're doing a marvellous job, of course. Okay, these people, stand up please. Carolina Urbina, Levi Bax, Amber Morgan, Riley Ellis, Christine Tabliso, Sarah Howes, Ian Ho, Phoebe Welch, Ryan Smart, Memphis, Miranda, Chevelle, Ethan Cavallaro, Hal Way, Joshua Painter, Chen Yu, Eden, Eleanor Josipovic, Millie, Zachary Hutchinson, Oliver Motum, Melanie Nicholson, Ethan Charlesworth, and Olivia Anderson. They're our Student of the Week people. Give them a big clap. Well done. And birthday people, quite a long list today. Blake Gordon's is today. Lachlan Bamford, Regan Shelford, Jonathan Christou, Kiara O'Brien, Sienna, Tiffany Yang today, Elle Murphy, Jessie Moore, Ellie Woods, Ella Reynolds, Lani. Then we've got people in the holidays. Jackson Sims, Livia Thompson, Dylan Morris, Mr. Asplin, Emily Walter, Alex Ferguson, Ashton, Tracy Meeker, Jessica Reid, Eloise Butler, Judy Mao, James Urbina, Dylan Martin, Lucas Pfeiffer, Joe Yang, Mackenzie Leach, Ryan Egan, Nicola Collins, Nick Bulio, Ryan Hewitt, Jordan Ranasinger, and Chanel Jones. I guess they're all December people there. Three cheers for those birthday people. Hip, 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 hip. school finishes. Isn't that great? I can give myself a holiday. Right, all these people have blue cards. I'm going to draw some out, so you make sure you come down tomorrow. Those lucky ones who get a little reward from the tuck shop. And I'll take out 6. Thanks to all those people who follow our values all the time, remembering this week it's compassion, thinking of others and others in need. We've had lots of people around our school raising money for the Philippines for the Caritas appeal. That's certainly showing compassion, but you can do it with your family, with your friends as well. Right, Diego in 1 Maroon, you were picking up heaps of rubbish in the undercover area, so helping with cleanliness, so was Aidan in 1 Maroon. Sam Hillier handed in lost money, showing honesty. Chantel in 4 Maroon, using her initiative in the playground. So making good decisions there, probably to help others, or make a good decision. Heath Drinkwater, sharing with others in the library, so value of cooperation. And Tricia Wang also handed in some lost money. We often have lots of those. Thanks people for showing that honesty. And you're the lucky ones. Give them a clap. Thank you. Any messages from staff? Students, come up here.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tamika, and these are my 3 friends, Dana, Melanie, and Renita. We would like to announce that All-Star Aces won the netball tournament. Well done.
When the prep starts to get back to
They have a great attitude during games and training sessions. They all have improved a lot. Please stand. The 4-star players are Jessica Reed, Hayley Smith, Riley Pinder, and Sandra. They're all from Year 4. Please come and see us in the multi-purpose court at lunchtime on Monday. Congratulations to all people who participated in the netball competition. We would like to thank you for your commitment to our sessions and games. Keep increasing your netball skills. Thank you.
Last Friday was our last round of inter-school sport for the Year 6 and 7 students. We had some teams competing for first and second after 10 rounds of competition. Lucky for my boys, the senior boys touch team went into the grand final in second place against the very well-trained Boronia Heights team in a fantastic game of touch football that I've seen in the last 3 years. Our boys came out winners with a 5-4 scoreline. So congratulations to them. If they'd like to come up and receive their certificates. Kyle Whitaker, Josh Booth, Andy Foy, Braden Christensen, Blake Gordon. Dylan Tyler Moss, Jackson Johnson, my one-armed assistant coach, Stan Marnie, Keith Cox-Kroger, Lachlan Ellis, Tim Howes, and Deacon Charles Will. I'd also like to say a big thank you to Miss Doherty for all the work she's done this year in organising the inter-school sport teams, sending forms out, getting jerseys organised, getting equipment ready for us and all. So thank you, Miss Doherty, for all your effort this year. And we wish you the best for next year.
Concerning the St Vincent de Paul appeal, officially it finishes Friday, but if you have a few things left over, you can bring Monday or Tuesday. We'll be handing over to the St Vincent de Paul member on Wednesday. It's a little slower than last year. While it has picked up this week, we still have about 7 or 8 bins with nothing in them at all. So we really need that picked up over the rest of this week. So if you haven't bought anything, if you can ask Mum and Dad, just bring some. It only takes one small thing from everybody. So if 600 people bring one small thing each, that's a huge amount. So let's see if we can get it overflowing by the end of the week. Okay? Thank you.
Next week, come on. Next week, I just remind you that on Tuesday night we have the concert here. And you've all been working hard and practicing for that. Just an initial little, I guess, notification to you, which you'll be told about in classes and in rehearsals and so on as well. We've got a camera here that's practicing live streaming, and it'll be streamed back to your classrooms because that's where you will be before your act is on and after. So you'll be watching it in dress rehearsal and so on. You might be there, but we have to make sure we've got it very organised for moving you into different phases for being on stage, moving off stage, waiting, moving up onto stage, which you'll be practicing. So you won't be then moving down and because it just keeps going, you won't be moving down and sitting down anywhere in here. You'll be back in your classroom. And we're hoping to have that live streaming happening so you can watch what's happening. But part of the time you'll be lined up anyway, waiting to come on stage. So it'll move fairly quickly. And we need everybody here and cooperating with that, with our concert, which has been a lot of practice and a lot of organisation go into that. So that'll be great to have you all here ready for that.
As you know, the grade 6 students held the St. Louis mini circuit.
We all thank you for coming along and help raise money towards the Philippines.
We all raised a big $320.70.
We also appreciate all teachers for your help and support within Canadian Youth Sectors.
Thank you for your help raising money.
One of our learning goals this year was to make up our own rhyming words. We found out that songs have lots of rhyming words in them. To help us learn more about rhyme, we decided to write our own class song that is full of rhyming words. But there was one big problem. We did not know what to write a song about. After thinking for a moment, we remembered our class promise for the year. We promised to be free for bread. Using the garage band, we wrote a song about our special skills and how we could be peaceful press. lots of running work. Draw, score, dance, chant, song, belong, say, play, day, share, care, everywhere. Next, we would like to teach you some actions to our song. Are you ready? Yes! We sing our song. Knowing we belong. Kind words we say. We learn and play. Each day. We share. We care. You can see creation everywhere. Press of peace each day. Now that you know the words and actions, you can join in our song. hope you have a peaceful Christmas. When you hear your class called, please stand quietly for our national anthem. Year 1, Year 2, Year 3, Year 4, Year 5, Year 6, 7th and prep.
You done, Colin? Good man. Just wondered if I could go on. You're in charge of the mic, remember? Fantastic effort from Prep Green. That was really great, wasn't it, to be part of that? What a great assembly near the end of the year. All that confidence, reading and singing beautifully and acting. That deserves another big clap. Prep Green, fantastic.